My name is Omer M. Simpal from BSIT 3B students. The regression that I chose is polynomial regression. So, I'll be explaining the polynomial regression. So, what is polynomial regressions? Polynomial regression is a type of regressions that analyze whether relationships between the independent variables and the dependent variables is models and the degree polynomial. It is used to fit curve instead of straight line to capture nonlinear relationship between variables. So this is the equations of polynomial regressions, where y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable, b0, b1, b2, and bn are the coefficients, n is the degree of polynomial, and e is the error term. So, where is the polynomial regressions used? Polynomial regression is used when the relationship between the independent and dependent variables is nonlinear. But the nonlinearity can be approximated by a polynomial function. It is appropriate when, number one, data show a curvilinear pattern not fitting a straight line. Second one, the relationship between variables involve accelerating or decelerating trends, e.g. exponential growth, diminishing returns. The last one is you need to model trends in data where changes are not constant but instead change at varying rates. So how do you use polynomial regressions? Number one, identify the data. Check if the data has nonlinear relationship or plot the data to observe the trend. Number two, transform the data. Generate higher degree terms, e.g. x2 and x3 squared from the original independent variables to capture the curvature. Number 3, fit the polynomial model. Use libraries like scikit-learn in Python to create a polynomial feature set and fit the model. Number 4, evaluate the model. Measure the model's performance using metrics like R squared, mean squared errors, MSE, and cross validations. The last one is make predictions. Once the model is trained, use it to protect the dependent variable for new values of the independent variables. So this is the Python example. Application of polynomial regressions. Polynomial regression is widely used in several fields to model nonlinear relationships. Some applications include economics, modeling supply-demand curves, cost function, or income distributions. Number 2 is physics, describing trajectories or the accelerations objects. Number 3, biology, modeling growth pattern of plants or animals. Number 4, environmental study, predicting the pollution's level or temperature trends over time. Number 4, engineering, modeling the stress-strain behavior of materials or other nonlinear phenomena. So this is the real-world scenario example. Scenario, predicting students' performance based on study hours and other factors, independent variables. So this is the independent variables. Number of hours of study per week, scale, e.g. 10 hours, 15 hours, etc. Allowance per week in PHP. Scale, e.g. 500 PHP or 1000 PHP and etc. TikTok account, yes or no. Nominal, yes is yes when the equal is 1 and no and the equal is 0. Year level, ordinal, e.g. first year, second year, or third year. So, and the dependent variable is grades. So, the average, scale, e.g. example 75%, 85%, and 90% and etc. In this scenario, you can use polynomial regressions to predict a student's grades based on their study habits and external factors like allowance, TikTok usage, and your level. If the relationship between study hours and grades show a curve pattern, polynomial regression will be a suitable model to capture this.